Hello everyone! Welcome to today's lesson. We're learning about something exciting and modern. What helps you every day? A person, a machine, or a robot? My name is Kiara, and we will learn about AI, machines that think. AI means smart machines, machines that learn, think, and help us. This is a robot. But is it smart? Maybe. When a machine can think, learn, and help, that's called AI. Let me say it again. AI is when a machine can learn or solve problems. It is not just a machine, it's a smart machine. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's like a robot brain that can think and help people with tasks like answering questions, giving directions, or even translating languages. AI learns by seeing and hearing many things. So, where can we find AI? Let's look at our phones. Do you use Siri or Google Assistant? They listen to your voice. They answer questions. That's AI. Google Translate is AI. It helps us speak and understand different languages. Some cars can drive by themselves. They look at the road and learn how to stop and go. That's AI. Netflix shows you new movies that you might like. It learns what you watch, and that's AI. So remember, AI is not only in robots. It is in many tools that we use every day. Let's see how AI works. Imagine you show a robot 100 pictures of cats. The robot looks at the pictures, remembers them, and learns. This is a cat. So, next time it sees a new cat, it knows. That's learning, and that's AI. It's like a brain, but inside a computer. So let's look at some examples. 1. If a robot can learn your face, that's AI. If a phone guesses what word you're typing, that's AI too. AI thinks, not AI just works. AI is not just in robots. It's in many things we use every day. So AI is all around us, in phones, in cars, in apps, and websites. They help us stay organized, control our homes, get information, have fun, talk and text, cook easier, and shop smarter. I'm sure you've seen or used some of these AI before. Can you think about any AI at home? Think about your phone, your TV, computer. How does AI help us? AI helps us in many ways. Let's look at some examples. Voice assistants. They answer questions like, what's the weather? Or play music. They understand your voice. That's AI. Google Translate. It helps you read and speak new languages. It helps people talk from different countries. Self-driving cars. They drive and stop by themselves. They look for signs and people. They learn to drive safely. Netflix. It learns what shows you like and gives you more. Your phone. It corrects your text messages. It gives smart suggestions. And that's all AI. Now, let's talk about what AI is and isn't AI. I will show you an image and you guess, is it AI or not AI? And I'll explain why. You ready? Let's go. A coffee machine. It's not AI. It makes coffee, but it doesn't learn what you like unless it's a smart coffee machine. Some high-tech ones usually do use AI. Okay, next one, number 2, a robot. It is AI. If the robot can think or learn, it's AI. But remember, not all robots are AI. Some just follow commands. Duolingo. It is AI. It's AI because it helps you learn and changes lessons based on what you know. A light switch. It is not AI. It only turns lights on or off. It doesn't learn anything. An alarm clock. It is not AI. It rings at the time which you set. It doesn't know if you're awake or asleep. There's no learning, not AI. Netflix recommendations. It is AI. It learns what you watch and shows you what shows you might like. What about a TV remote control? It is not AI. It just sends signals. You have to press the buttons. It does not think, not smart, not AI. Autocorrect and predictive text. It is AI. It's AI because it learns how you type and guesses your next word. Facial recognition. It is AI. It's AI because it can learn faces and recognize people using a computer. Okay, last one, a microwave oven. It is not AI. It just heats food. It doesn't learn or make decisions. No brain, no AI. The key difference between AI and non-AI devices is that AI learns, adapts, or makes decisions. Non-AI devices, like calculators, just follow instructions. If it learns or makes decisions, it's probably AI. If it just follows instructions, then it's probably not AI. Let's imagine you can create your own AI assistant. What will it do? Here are some fun examples. Hi, I'm Weatherbot. I tell you the weather every day. Or, hi, I'm StudyPal. I help you learn English. Next, hi, I'm Joke Master. I tell funny jokes. Let's make one together. So, how do you make your own AI idea? Step 1, choose your task. What can your AI do? Tell jokes, play music, or help with homework? Step 2, give it a cool name like Weatherbot, Joke Master, or Music Pal. Step 3, you can say it or write it down. For example, hi, I'm Weatherbot and I can tell you today's weather. Once you have created your AI assistant, you can use the template to create your AI app. First, draw a picture and name your app. Second, write a description. And then let 3 friends rate and review your AI. Excellent work, everyone. Let's review what we've learned. AI helps us by answering questions, translating languages, and giving us information. You learned that AI is in our phones, our cars, and even in things that we talk to at home, like Siri or Alexa. AI can learn, listen, and help. If it just follows steps, it's not AI. Look around your house. Can you find something that uses AI? Thank you for learning with me. Bye.